When you will open the RStudio, then you will see the 4 panes or the windows. This includes source, console, environment, and the files, plot, packages windows. The source is present at the top right corner of RStudio. This is actually a position where we will write or edit the R scripts. When you will open the RStudio, it will automatically start untitled script as you can see it here. Here we will write the R code. Once we are done with writing the code, now this is time to save it. To save the R code, we need to move to this file and then we need to click here on this save button. When we will click here on this save button, then this window will pop up in front of us. Here we will set the name in which we want to save our R script. Let's name it as a test. After typing the name, click here on the save button. As you will do it, then you can see it here that now the title of the R script is changed from untitled to the test. If you want to open a new script, then you need to once again click to the file and then you need to bring your cursor to the new file. When you will bring your cursor to the new file, then the side menu will pop up in front of you, and here in this side menu, click on the R script. As you will do it, then the new R script will be open in front of you, and here you can write your brand new R code. The second part of the RStudio is a console, which is present left bottom side of the RStudio. This is very heart of the R. It is also called the command window. This is a place where your code will be compiled and executed. In the console, you will see this character. This is a prompt, and it tells you that R is ready to accept the code. One very important thing, you can write the code in the source and as well as in console. But in the console, once a code is executed, it cannot be edited. The third part of the RStudio is environment or the history window. This portion is present at the right top side of the R. This window will show you the names of all data types that you have defined during our session. For example, we are going to define a one variable x, and let's say that the value of x is equal to 2. Once we will define the variable, then the name of this variable will appear in an environment window. The fourth portion is files, plot, packages, and the help one. This window is located at the bottom right corner of RStudio. This window is really helpful, and let's see its further details. In the file menu, you will find out the way to define the path of your system through which you can give input to the R. We will talk about it in a bit more detail in the next video tutorial. In plots, you will visualize the charts, graph, or the plots which will be developed during an R session. This will also provide you an opportunity to save the graphs in PDF or the JPG file format. Another very important feature of this window is the packages one. This will let you know about the different type of R packages which are present in the R. This will also provide you an opportunity to install the new packages as per your requirement. Maybe you will be worried about that. What is a package? Don't worry, we will talk about the R packages in very much detail in upcoming video tutorials. Finally, there is a help menu. The help menu may provide you the help about the R code if you are going to face some difficulties. So this is a very brief intro of the RStudio. As you will progress in this course, you will be more comfortable with all of the stuff which is present in an RStudio.